Hi guys, it's Marty Davis, MarineMax, Osage Beach, Missouri. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Harris Grand Mariner 270. On this Grand Mariner we have a 350 Mercury Verado. This is packaged with our single lounger layout, which is the most popular here at Lake Ozark, Missouri. Grand Mariner 270, 27-foot Lake Ozark package tubes. They're 27-inch. They are upgraded, heavier brackets, more displacement, and a different running strike to handle our rough water, even if you have no experience. Boat has upgraded teak vinyl flooring. Again, the single lounger, super popular. You've got a JL stereo remote down there, a second one right there with some auxiliary 12-volt plug-ins. Boat's packaged with the LED lights in the cup holders, under the seats, and the tubes. You also have LED lights up on the tower. You have starboard and port doors. You got an exit up front. You've got a ski locker to keep everything in. This boat is packaged with the pillow top. You've got flip down armrest, the nice basket storage on the sides. You're gonna have a JL stereo system complete with zone control and JL subwoofer, raised helm, Ultralux seat, Simrad touchscreen display for GPS, sonar, and instrument cluster, hydraulic steering, and a digital throttle. Everything you need to have a great time and look good. This is Marty Davis, MarineMax, Osage Beach. If you have any questions about this nice boat, give me a call, 573-286-1130. See you on the water.